Chief guest and the chairperson of Valniketan institutions and the head of English department Neelakantam sir garu and the head of the department of physics Sri Hanmantarao sir garu and the in charge of Kidscape Sandeep Jaisan garu and my dear children and my dear teachers, wish you happy National Science Day. So why we are celebrating National Science Day? What is the purpose celebrating of the National Science Day in entire India? So this is the day on which Sir C.V. Raman discovered the phenomenon of scattering of the light, which leads to discovery micro-Raman spectroscopy, which is very useful in the medical field also. I would like to explain what is the importance of the science and what is the meaning of the science. Science is the process, science is the experiment, science is the stages of interpretation of the knowledge. Science make our life to be very easy and science make our life to be comfortable. The comfortable, the luxury life, the wonderful life, what we are experience, it is the result of the science only. So now I am going to explain what is the importance of the science in our day-to-day life in main fields also. So every person requires food. So how we are yielding large amount of the food material? Due to development, genetics and hybridization in the agriculture field, we are yielding large amount of the crops. Therefore, we are not getting any food problem. Thus, science shows just a solution for the food problem. When you come to the clothing, so as the population increases, every person requires food and clothing also. Now present days advanced development available in the textile technology. Therefore, the industry is producing large amount of the clothing. So we are not suffering. So inavailability of the state of the clothing also. Remaining, we require compulsory house purpose. House is very, very important of the people. So once upon, the people used to just live in the huts, that sheds also. But present days, the advanced technology available and due to development in material science, the civil engineers are constructing different type of houses, buildings, apartments, roads and dams also. Because the development in the civil engineering, easy to construct the house also. Next, if you take business management, present days you are not going to anywhere. So if you want food, just we are bringing the food material by online purpose only. Okay, now this is called what, children? E-commerce. What na? E-commerce. So due to development, science and technology, mainly in the communication. So the e-commerce development. Therefore, the customers need not go to any shopping. You need not pay money direct. What are the material you require? So the material direct come to your home only by online payment only. It is called e-commerce. And present days, the telemedicine facility available in the medical field also. Sometimes the old people and who is living very far from the cities, they are unable to come to the city. They are unable to meet the doctor directly. So telemedicine showing the solution to that problem. So you can interact with the doctors through the computers, through the mobiles also. What are the problems you are facing? You may take the medical advices from the doctors and you may take the medicines through the online also. That is the importance of the telemedicine. Already know, children, now present days we are in the highly developed modern world because telecommunication in advanced technology. The telecommunication including internet, e-commerce playing very, very important role. So we are using mobile phones, tabs, internet, all these facilities available in the telecommunication. So you may chat your relatives, parents who are in the America, who are in the abroad also. That make us very easy also. That is because the development in the telecommunication. What, children? Telecommunication. So due to development of telecommunication, the entire world becomes as a global village, small village only. So you may interact with any one person, anytime, anywhere also because of advanced development, science and technology. And when you come to the medical field, medical field, the bloodless surgeries are available by using gamma rays knives. The doctors are doing just without bleeding a single drop of the blood also. That is called what, children? So advanced technology, advanced radio technology available in the medical field also. So coming days you see very wonderful things in our society. That is by nanotechnology. What is that? Nanotechnology. Nanometer means 10 to the power of 9 minus 9 meter is called nanometer. Means if you cut 1 meter scale up to 10 lakhs part, the each part equal to 1 nanometer. Coming 50 years, all the objects are made into nanometers. So your books are just come to small size. 10 books become 1 book only. Your clothes are become very short size. Okay, na? Very thin size. And the medicines also become very small size. Everything should be small size. Everything should be very light also. So it is very useful in our future also. That is called what, children? Telemedicine. What better? Telemedicine. And coming days you will see loop technology. Loop technology means hyperloop technology. If you want to go to anyway, hyperloop technology available. So the technology used to travel one to other place within some minutes only. You may go India or abroad within some hours only. That is possible with hyperloop technology. Next, coming days, so if it is not comfortable for us because we are polluted the entire earth. Soil pollution is there, air pollution is there. Okay, na? Next, atmosphere pollution is there. So scientists already they are doing the research in the Mars and other planets also to sustain, to live other planets also. So coming days what we will do? We will go to other planets also by the space technology also. So my suggestion, my request to all the students, we have to take the C.V. Raman as a repression. Because C.V. Raman got good job, general accountant of services, central government service. But he could not divert the government job. He did so many experiments on the scattering of the light. So that give the so many solutions in the medical field, particularly micro-Raman spectroscopy. So what is the importance of the micro-Raman spectroscopy? So we can analyze the structure of the crystals. We can understand the structure of atom. And we can understand the small insects. We can understand structure of the small insects also. These are very useful for to find the medicines in the medical field also. Not only, so already know, children, we got very fear during Corona. But the advanced technology available in the pharmacy and the genetics, the scientists able to find the medicine for COVID vaccine, COVID also. So why? If you take any field, the science and technology development, the science and technology give solution for all problems, and the science and technology make our life to be very easy also. So my suggestion to children, the students should have the scientific attitudes, and our children, we feel very proud. Our children are just selected Inspire Award last year. Shashank and Manivarshik for this academic year. Yashwant also selected for Inspire Award also. 3 members selected in the Inspire Award. And students, we have to go to research field, research way. That is give employment opportunity also. Thank you very much. Thank you all of giving this wonderful opportunity.